Hi, I am Mrs. Evans, and today we are going to be learning about the Kindergarten Common Core K.OA. Operations of Algebraic Thinking. It is exciting to see that we have algebra in kindergarten. The objective of this lesson is to understand that when we add, we are actually just putting things together, and when we subtract, we are taking things apart or taking something away. When we are adding, we put two things together, such as right here, you have 2 M&Ms plus 5 M&Ms equals, and if you count all the M&Ms up together, we find that we have 7 M&Ms. So 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Subtraction, we find, is just taking things apart or taking something away. Here we see in this picture that we have 5 red balls. If we take away 3 of the balls, how many do we have left? If you look at the picture, you can see that when we start with 5 and we take 3 away, there are 2 balls left. Right here we can see that we can use story or word problems to help solve an addition problem. We see here that Nancy has 7 apples and Bob has 3 apples. How many apples do they have together? If you count up all the apples, we can see we have 7 red apples and 3 green apples. Counting them together gives us how many apples? That is absolutely right. There are 10 apples. We can also use story or word problems to solve a subtraction problem. We can see in this problem that Amy has $9. If she spends $4, how many dollars does she have left? You can do this by taking 9 of your fingers. Take away 4 fingers, and how many fingers are left? We find that there are 5 fingers left. Therefore, we know we have $5 left. In this slide, we see that there are 2 sets of numbers used to get to 5. We find that 5 is equal to 3 plus 2. 5 is also equal to 4 plus 1. It is the same as 3 plus 2 equaling 5 or 4 plus 1 equaling 5. We can do the same with subtraction. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2, but 5 minus 2 is also equal to 3. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1, and 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. We find that we can interchange the numbers and still come up with the same answer. Finally, we're going to find right here that we can do several things and add several numbers to get to 10. In this picture, it shows 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. If you take the 5 red stars and you add them to the 5 purple stars, it equals 10. We can do this with many numbers, such as 1 plus 9, or 2 plus 8, or 3 plus 7. Now let's do some in-class work on what we have just learned.